So let's build the garden. Okay. You already picked up some flowers and leaves and shellfishes. Let's go find Mia. Where is she? We already picked up some yellow flowers, maybe. Let's find some white flowers.
Yeah.
And some purple flowers. But don't pluck up. No, the one on the floor only. Okay. Try to grab that one. This one is beautiful. This one. You can try it. Go grab it. Yes, you did it. Doesn't matter.
Don't break it. Don't take it.
Give it to me.
This flowers, this hand is, this pocket is the I hold mine. Oh no!
Okay. You can try to find some purple one and white one, but already on the floor. Don't pluck up. Okay, keep it. You keep it with you. No. Maybe another place? Let's check here. Okay. Drop it to your garden. Come.
Okay.
No, where did you put your yellow flowers?
Here.
No, take it back.
Okay.
Yes, take it. Drop it to your garden. Over there. Yes, side. Where are you going? Here.
Crazy!
Drop it in your garden. No, this one is not good.
Okay. I collect this here. I'm not here.
Maybe you should put your shoes back.
I'm not talking about this.
Okay. You sure? Oh.
Let's do the first.
Not cheating, huh? Don't pluck flowers. You can take some leaves. It's good for garden. Some green leaves. Just for the leaves you can pluck up. Just for the leaf. Pluck up some. Maybe a little branch. Look. Maybe a little branch like this. One for each of you and that's it, huh?
I think it looks like a tree.
One for Isa. Okay, come on.
Let's put this in our garden. Yeah. No, don't let it. Oh, you break.
Do it here. Doesn't matter. Take everything here, you put here. Make your own garden.
I'm making water, and then I'm gonna figure it out what I'm gonna do with this. So,
Okay.
water
And that.
is water here.
The shellfish, the leaves here, and the yellow flowers. You don't take it?
I want to take it. I'm trying to make a tree. I put here my. Look, I put here this. Me here.
Good job. You're planting a tree.
Yeah. Yay! Now I'm gonna do. Oh yeah, and now I need some. I need some more.
Okay, let's go find something else. I'm following you.
Yeah.
Let's go grab the purple and the white. We don't have. Come on.
I see white. I see white over there.
Yes, but don't pluck up. Only the one on the floor.
Cool. I found one on the floor.
Are you sure you didn't shit?
No, I didn't.
Okay, so bring it to your garden. Is that you found one?
Uh-huh.
Go find the purple one.
No, you cannot take the purple.
No, only the one on the floor, I said.
No, I don't.
What do you have? Okay.
So I'm gonna pick a flower next to the tree.
Yes, that's really a good idea.
I'm gonna take it.
Come, Isa. Come. I'm gonna find one for you. Come, come. White flowers, where are you? Purple flowers, where are you, purple flowers? It's difficult to find one, huh? It's not that easy.
Something.
Isa, come. We're gonna cheat a bit. Take this one. Go easy. We have one. Come. Take it, take it. Yes. So you're gonna play in your garden with your ball. Hey, Mia, we have a secret.
Which is
We cheat a little bit. You can take that one. That's it. Let's go. Wait, Mikiras. I was looking for another flowers. Have you found a yellow one too? No, yellow one we already have. Come on, come on. Hey, maybe we can cheat a bit. We can take one. One for Mia, one for Isa. A secret, huh?
yeah.
We didn't pluck up the flowers. We found it on the floor.
Yeah.
Huh?
Yeah.
Let's go. Let's finish your garden.
We'll make it around for my water.
That's beautiful garden you have here.
It's not a garden.
What is it? We were supposed to build a garden.
I was building water. Put it back some.
No, no, put it here. Don't touch.
Now we need more flowers. Come on, let's go. And then we go for the salad.
Maybe you could use some shellfishes
Yeah. Daddy, where I put the ball?
next to the garden in case you want to play.
Yeah.
Oh, you got a pink one.
Yeah. I take a green one.
Okay.
Look at this one.
Take it.
Oh. I already take
Maybe the pink one should go in the middle of your garden. Yes.
Oh, yeah, better than self.
It could be a great idea. And you will get a beautiful garden.
Wow.
Wow, so beautiful.
Now we just need to finish the round. Yeah. Let's finish it with the some self-fishes. Okay.
Shellfish and leaves, maybe. Look, shellfish here. Here.
No, selfish is better than this. I find the selfish that you can take this one.
Yes.
Wow. You can take rocks.
Yes, you can take rocks, of course.
I take
Go grab some rocks. Come.
I found another thing.
You can use it too.
It's not
It's broken.
Yeah. I found this one me.
Use it.
We have a last one. We need to do a last one. Nothing. I could take this. I found small one. Okay. Okay, you can put the last one this up.
Is your garden done?
Yeah.
Is it a beautiful garden?
Yeah.
Great garden.